name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this O'Keeffe's Working Hand Cream because I've noticed while using this, I'm not cracking, my skin is not peeling, and I would get so many cracks in my lines in my skin and my knuckles that I felt like my fingers were the Grim Reaper. But now with using this, I'm able to have normal hands that aren't dry and cracking. And I wash them a lot because I work with food and then I have to clean with chemicals afterwards. So I really need my hands to be in tip-top shape. And this is doing a great job of doing that for me. But I also love how it feels because it's not greasy. I applied some and you can't see it on my hand. It really did a great job of getting into the skin and giving me that barrier. And my hands feel completely healthy, moisturized, but like there's no grease on them. That's very comfortable. So I love the way that they made it so that it can do that for me. It's comfortable to use, and I can leave one at work and I can leave one in the home, but the size is good for throwing in my purse. This really makes a difference for me, and my hands are really happy. And that's my point of view.